Master your SIM card. Lock and unlock with ease.
Hello and welcome to our guide. Today, we're going to discuss a very important and often overlooked topic: how to permanently lock your SIM card and, if necessary, how to unlock it. We'll go step by step to make sure you fully understand and can easily apply the steps.
Why would you want to lock your SIM card?
First, you might be wondering, why would anyone want to lock their SIM card? The answer lies in security. By locking your SIM card, you add an extra layer of protection to your personal information, like your contacts and messages. If someone were to steal your phone, they wouldn't be able to access this data without knowing the PIN for your SIM card.
How to lock your SIM card.
Let's move on to how you can actually lock your SIM card. 1. Open the Settings app on your phone. 2. Navigate to Security Settings. 3. Locate the option that says Set up SIM card lock or something similar. The wording might slightly differ based on the phone model and its operating system. 4. Toggle on the Lock SIM card option. 5. You will be asked to enter your current SIM card PIN. If you haven't changed it before, it should be the default PIN provided by your carrier. 6. Now, your SIM card is locked. You will need to enter this PIN each time you restart your phone. Note: be cautious while entering the PIN, as entering the wrong one 3 times will disable your SIM card.
What if I forget my PIN?
It happens to the best of us. You may forget the PIN you've set for your SIM card. But don't worry, there is a way to unlock it. 1. After entering the wrong PIN 3 times, you'll be asked to enter a PUK, personal unblocking key. 2. This PUK can be obtained from your carrier. You may have to call their customer service or check the package that your SIM card came in. Warning: be extra careful while entering the PUK. If entered wrongly 10 times, the SIM card will be permanently disabled. We've now covered how to lock your SIM card and what to do if you forget your PIN. Remember, the primary purpose of locking your SIM card is to protect your personal data. It adds an extra layer of security that can give you peace of mind. Don't forget to keep your PIN safe and handy, but not too handy that it's easily accessible by others. Stay secure, and until next time, happy connecting!